Hello. Back with another unboxing slash review. Another clock. Same company, WulaWindy, as the last one, WulaWindy. And right now this is listed as $12.96 on Amazon. It's a bit larger than the last one I unboxed, I reviewed. It is a digital alarm clock thermometer large display with LED light, temperature humidity for home travel, battery USB operated. So one of the things I do like about this, it is USB powered. I just noticed it's listed as Amazon's choice right now. But anyway, let's check it out here. I don't have any batteries with me to test this, but I do have a USB port right near here. So we will see in a second. So, got our user guide there. Here's the back, of course, your battery compartment, 3 AAAs. We have several buttons here. Mode, 1224, Celsius, Fahrenheit, max, min, snooze, and SC, not sure. Speaker, and there's the power for the USB. Little stand we have going there, sort of, if I can get it to stand up, right? But snooze light on top. We have a little protective plastic over here, because it's very shiny. Very shiny screen we have going there. It's very lightweight. I mean, I don't know about just tossing this in your bag, because it might get scratched up the screen. But here's this here. So let's do this and get some power and check it out real quick. Oh, the wrong way. How come they always going the wrong way? Oh, there we go. Funky display. Looking at it, apparently, you have to really look at it almost straight on, or from the top, actually. 70%, 23 Celsius. Let's change this. It says 73.4 Fahrenheit right now. On my desk, little thermometer says 74.3, which is a couple feet away. 70% humidity, see Friday. You have a little temperature trend going there. A gauge. Little unhappy face. Which I don't know what that means. Let's see here. Apparently that's the comfort icons. What do we have here? So, you can query the history, 1224 curve, 4-level weather, sunny, half sunny, cloudy, rainy. LCD lights are 1 second, turn normal clock status. Press the mode to switch time and date. Here's the mode button. Oh, there's the date, month, and day. There's the alarm. Back to the clock. So let's do this. Hold this in. Okay, and we change it. There's up and down. So right now it is 12:47. We will set this here. 12:47. And I believe this is in 24-hour mode. So let's change it to do this. Hold this in. Oh, there we go. PM. So mode again. Hold this in. That's 2017, 2018. October 2nd. And it's a Tuesday, October 2nd. So that is right. The alarm. I don't care about the alarm. Apparently it goes beep, beep, beep. Something like that. What's the SC button for? I don't know. I don't see anything about. There's usually thought there'd be like a little diagram or something that told you. SC button, sensor close button, which makes the clock sound and touch sensitive. Oh, okay. So SC, which there's no indicator or anything like that. apparently it's to turn the light on because the backlight goes out. Okay, so that's off. All right. I guess that's back on. Yeah. Okay. I don't know. It's weird. Snooze. I guess SNZ. Guess we have to wait till it goes out then. See what happens here. Thought it was 8 seconds. I don't know. Apparently it's staying on. I don't understand. Which is fine with me. Staying on is fine with me because you can see it. And it's not an actual weather station, by the way. The little cloudy thing here, it's based on the humidity and the temperature and stuff like that, what it displays. There's a whole chart in here, actually. Temperature is less than 15. Celsius, above or less, equal to 40%. Displays sunny, dry, etc. There's sunny, half sunny, cloudy, and rainy. And then the little smiley faces and all that are for the humidity, dry, humid, stuff like that. I don't know, it's a neat clock, except I don't like the backlight. As you can see here, you really kind of have to look at it like right on for it to be displayed. As soon as you kind of go, like if you put this up on the shelf, you wouldn't be able to see it really. From the top and from the sides, it's pretty good. But neat little clock, I think. Nice for a desk, especially USB powered at your computer or something like that. Just plug it in and you're set. Or, you know, take it camping or something. Have a battery pack with you to wake you up. But then again, I don't know, you have your phone, whatever. But it's neat, I think. Neat little clock. For $13, it's not a bad little travel clock. I don't know. I'm not sure what else to say there. I mean, it's fairly simple to set as long as you follow the instructions. And fairly easy to use. And it's fairly bright when it's on, of course. But it does shut down the display. It gets dimmer to conserve battery power, stuff like that. Alright, thanks.